how I manage my business email completely free for my own application I have implemented. So this is my business email. So there is multiple email like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have also adding another 1 and 2, so 1 3 3 3, so almost nine email. So we can, in this free mode, we can implement 100 email. We can use can freely from one place. So in the 100 email, any email come in at a once, like one email come here, we can show all email, the unread email. So unread email will show you any email, like this email comes, this email space, and this is space, and this is the support bc, this is the support bc, and this is the bd. So others email, like this is email comes for my bd, like bd domain, that means this domain, this email, and this caller means this email, and this email caller means this email. So there is 1 2 3 4, so almost 4 email come, 4 different email comes in the 4 email of my email. 4 email, here is 7 email. So the different 4 email comes email. So I am getting all email like one email, once one url. So just when I hitting regularly, like I just open it in the night, so we do not need to another like Gmail login or others login. So others login automatically blocked the hostinger. So best solution we can use is it here. So there is not in the Gmail automatically blocked for your server location, as Gmail 15 minute 20 minute hit the server. So we can use it. So here you can use, so automatically for different email comes to our here. So here you can delete, like this email we can read, we can help your website to go linking. This is the marketing for it, and this email comes from payment failure, and this email deletion. So different email comes here. So I am seeking, so we can also delete here. Just click delete and automatically delete here. So we can all email, like if you business 100 business email, so we can control it from one place. Free mode, the free at this at present this is the completely free, and you can implement your own business, like your own application, own website. You can implement the system. If you need this step system, you can contact me. I will build you for you. So best of luck.